Hey guys, we're out here on the Ron Gun Club today. High tide's around 2 o'clock. We don't even have all our lines in the water. Ryan's already hooked up. We're just getting our other setups. Oh shit, I gotta work the other one. I think it's short. Yeah, I was just about to cast a rod out and I look over and I just see line getting ripped from Ryan's rod. Oh yeah. Alright guys, just got a little cow-nose stingray. We'll let him go. Hopefully we'll get back to you with some way bigger fish. Oh guys, we're hooked up again. This one's way out there. It doesn't feel that big, but oh fuck, bud. It's good to hook into a big fish.
Let's go, man.
Oh, he's pulling. Let's see. Hope Ron, you might want to reel your line in. Oh fuck! Oh, this is a big fish, bud. I think it's a bat ray. Or not bat ray, my bad. A cat-nose stingray, but oh my god, this is a... Woo! Oh, he's pulling hard. This line's old. I think this should be 30-pound mono, but... Oh yeah. Oh, he's coming in. Oh, he was pulling drag hard. Ryan, I had this thing. Oh. He's coming in. I need him to turn so I can tire him out. This is a big fish. I don't want it to get by the pylons and fucking just go under him. Come on, go baby, run.
I want to get it, dude, I want it to run again so I can get another photo. That was a fat run, dude.
I didn't get the GoPro on in time for the hook set. Ryan, you might want to untangle that net.
Oh, yeah. It's ready.
Well, it's just tied to the fence. Come on, pull. Gonna walk you down. Oh yeah, we got a nice one on, boys. Yeah, I know you got untied from the fence is what I was saying. Are we gonna get a glimpse? Let's see what this bitch is. Oh, yeah, not like that. Woo!
God.
Okay, good, he's going out.
Oh my God.
Oh, that line's just taking off.
Look at this shit.
Look at that. He's still going. Woo!
Oh, here. Out here, slaying the game. Tight lines.
Can I turn him? Come on this way. We're just gonna come to it. Woo! Ryan, you might want to grab the net. The net's way back there, Ryan. Turn and burn, baby. Well, let's lift you up. Let's see your pretty face. Oh, here it is. That's a good sized bat ray. Oh, fuck, come on. It's a good sized bat ray, but it wants to take me on. Just gotta keep walking it. Oh, fuck. Alright, Ryan, we're gonna put the hammer down. Time to bring this bitch in. That rod bend. Oh, snap. Hey, fucker, get back here. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Fuck, fuck, fuck. Come on, run out there and tire yourself out. Woo! Guys, this is sweet. No, I don't have any other rods in the water. Oh, he's getting tired now. Fuck. Up, 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 up. Ah, fuck. Oh, Ryan. Ryan, it is so big. Oh, fuck. This is like the worst spot because there's that wood there. Alright, Ryan, you might want to get to... Yeah. No, 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 no. No, you can't. Ryan, get in that. It's a monster. Ryan, get in the net. Come on. I can't keep it upside down for much longer. Oh my god. Sorry, Ryan. It is so big, guys. Ryan, oh fuck.
Oh no, this isn't good. Okay, this is not good. Like, thread your rod underneath.
Guys, this is a massive bat ray. I don't even have a scale that's probably strong enough to weigh it.
That's what we want.
And I'm just trying not to eat one. Okay, I got the line.
Okay.
Get him on his back.
That's one of the oldest batteries I've ever seen, dude. That thing was old as shit. Oh, should we try a different net? Let's try that other net we had.
Ryan, get the net behind him. He's trying to jump. Oh, come on.
He like literally doesn't fit. It's just refusing to fit. Like it just won't fit.
Fuck. Oh, be careful when you hit the line. Get under, get under, get it under, get it under. Keep on under. Lift.
Oh. Okay, oh my God. It sucks, dude.
Oh, he's getting heavier. Motherfucker. Lift.
It's so big, Mike. It's. Oh, we got it on its back. We got it on its back. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Down. Okay, now let it go. Let it drift. Let it drift.
Oh, you gotta get the net like behind it more. There you go. Let the net down.
This net isn't freaking. Oh, try that one. That one is only 3 instead of 4. That'll work, I bet. Thank you. Let's see if we can fit this. We gotta bring him like over here.
I know.
Okay. Oh. In there!
Yes! Right, now let's see if we can pull it up. Uh-oh. Oh no, the net's gonna break! The net's gonna break!
Oh man!
Oh shit, the rope just... Oh, that's fucking, this is crazy. This is like the biggest... Ryan.
Okay, then now I'll get him.
Here, Ryan, he's out of the net. Okay, we gotta get another net.
Good luck, guys. By the way, only one rod each.
Yeah.
In the water at a time. We're watching you. And who's the member here?
Me.
All right. So your dad is?
Yeah.
All right. He's supposed to be here with you.
Oh, I thought...
What's your last name?
Miliori, I thought we were 16.
Huh?
We're 16, I thought it was okay.
Your membership card is, your dad's.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's your last name?
Miliori. Here, Ryan, that one has 3. We can try that. Those yellow lines don't look too strong, but...
Dude, this is a story, man. Oh my God.
Dude's all on video, too. Dude, that guy was a fucking prune, like, asshole douchebag.
Yeah, dude.
Fucking power tripping us and eating dick.
This
He came out, yeah, literally he came out here just to give a shit. Oh. Come on, mate.
We gotta get that fin. Okay. Now we got one fin. We got one fin.
Oh, come on. Just keep turning. Oh, yeah. We want him to turn like.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we'll slide. Now, jank it hard and see if we'll. Oh, okay. This thing's still alive.
Fuck, I don't know.
It's so bad.
I know. It wasn't so fucking big. He'd be on the pier already.
No!
Damn it.
Oh, I think he's stuck in the net.
Pull! No, you fucker! No, you ass!
This net's all fucked up.
Oh, run, don't hit that line.
This net's like not deep enough to like hit that.
Oh, Ron, you got it.
It's like, now you gotta.
I know, I'm
It's
pulling him.
not deep. This net isn't like. We gotta get it directly under us. So keep him there. Let it drift up. Come on. Oh my God. Whoever built this net's
Here,
fucking-
hold him there. See if you can hold both of them there. I'm fucking stuck in the button on my jacket. Can we both lift at once? Let's try.
We're trying to push him into mine. Try and like lift that head. Slide him in. Shit.
Fuck. Okay, but you might be in.
No.
No!
I need him to get like be fully in the net. God damn. Let's get in there. See how this net's built though? They built a fucking straight line, 180-degree line, and then put one off it. That doesn't work. Did you go run down the thing trying to find another net? S3.
Hold on, you just got. You just
You
get.
need to find another net. Like these nets aren't working.
Okay.
Like that's like,
Alright, guys, this has been a long video. I'll get back to you. Hopefully, we get them on the